Hey guys, once upon a time there was a dinosaur and he has some awkward movements, kind of like this. That's kind of awkward. This is why our friend Cutest wanted to see what's inside this blue dinosaur. Let's check it out. No wonder that the existence of dinosaurs is a big secret. Look, look! Interesting, right? Now we have to open it some more and maybe risk this toy's life in order to find its secret. Oopsie, can you hear this? When you can hear this, it's not a good sign. Now, are you ready? Let's see what I have broken inside this little one. Okay. Yes. I think this is... It's over for this little one. Okay, this engine was spinning these wheels, these 4 wheels. What we find here new is this electric motor that has 2 axes. In order to understand this, we shall try to put it back and we'll start from inside and work our way out.
Alright, Mr. Dinosaur, what do you have to say for yourself?
Oh, you are lucky that we Diplodocus are herbivores, but I do eat microphones.
Can I have your attention, please? We just found a sound sensor. Another strange thing is how these caps are placed. It took us a while to figure out that in this hole actually the screw comes in. Guys, this one was a tricky one. As tiny as it was it gave us a hard time in disassembling it and seeing what's inside, but we sure learned something. I needed to ask my friend to come and help me out, so don't be ashamed to ask for help. Maybe this is why these guys didn't make it, because they did not work together. As you can see, this tiny one is working. It was a close one, but he survived what's inside. If you guys liked this clip, please smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more awesome content. Also, comment and let us know what you want to see in the next episodes at What's Inside. Now, until then, see you in the next one. Mwah!
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.